Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is flippant. It's pronounced flip-ant and spelt F-L-I-P-P-A-N-T. Think flip with two P's and then ant. Flippant means showing a lack of respect or seriousness, often in a joking or playful way. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone or something not taking something seriously. For example, you could say, he was criticized for making flippant comments about a serious issue. Or, she had a flippant attitude and didn't take the situation seriously. The word flippant comes from the Latin word flippare, which means to make a light or flippant remark. It was originally used to describe someone who is not taking something seriously. In the movie The Lion King, the main character, Simba, is a young lion who is flippant and carefree in his youth, but he learns to take responsibility and become a serious leader as he grows older. Some synonyms for flippant include light-hearted, playful, frivolous, and cheeky. Antonyms for flippant are serious, respectful, earnest, and solemn. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, flippant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.